Alright, la la la, just hunting. Oh, what? Oh, wait. Oh, I gotta, hello, viewers. Oh, shalom. Shalom, viewers. Thanks for watching. Alright, it's me, Alex, just a Minecraft tutorial. We're looking for the horse tent. The horse tent. Basically, the horse tent is a, oh, hold on. Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is, horse tent. So basically, there's a bunch of horses in a horse tent. Oh, I didn't just float there. This is not creative mode. The horse tent is just a bunch of horses, so you can see in there. Let me use these TNT to get a better look. Alright, here we're gonna jump in there. Nope, I missed. Alright, use my other TNT. Yeah, and basically, yeah, they have a bunch of horses in there. And then if you blow it up, it turns into a Skeletor horse and a undead horse, and it's gonna be so epic. Oh, I got my flint and steel. Can't believe we found this. It's rare. This shit's rare. So here, let me see. I'm gonna put it right here. Turn that volume up because you want to hear when the horses come. Oh, gotta go. Go. Okay, hurry up. Get out of here. Oh, there it goes. Okay, they're all exploding. And oh, and it should automatically turn nighttime. And okay, there. Whoa, there it is. All right, so that's the skeleton. We gotta find the body. We're looking for the body now. We can ride. Whoa, okay, there's the body. Nice, it worked. It's Minecraft tutorial. Turn this TNT on, blow it up, see what happens. Oh, he just turned red for a second. Wow. Wow. It's really hard to see if it swims. Does not swim. Skeleton horse. I think I woke up my roommate. Skeleton horses never swim, if you didn't know, because bones sink. Put that TNT there, blow it up. So yeah, if you're looking for a horse tent and you want to know how to do a horse tent, or I mean find a horse tent and what to do with a horse tent, then thank you for watching. I'm gonna go in this corner and put the TNT there.